Hi there, this is Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp Introduction to HTML course. Right now we're going to talk about links. Links are the most profound part of what Tim Berners-Lee created when he created HTML, because when you link pages together, you can create a web of documents that can cover the whole world, and then you'll have a World Wide Web. So HTML is called hypertext markup language, and hypertext refers to the idea that text can be linked together. So this is critical. This is links. All right, so we're going to make a couple of links. You make links with the anchor tag. So this is the URL to the Mozilla developer reference. And it looks like a link right now already because we're in Notepad++. And Notepad++ can detect that that is HTML. But this is the what is HTML file. And you'll see that it's not a link over here in the browser, right? So we need to make that a link. The anchor tag is just the letter A. All right, so we'll start an A and close an A, but also the actual URL here goes in an attribute. And that's the hypertext reference attribute, and that's abbreviated href. Href is for hypertext reference equals, and then quote unquote, and we're going to put this link inside those quotes. Boop. I missed. There we go. So, all right, so that's what we've got. We've got anchor tag A, href equals, and then the attribute value is the link you want to go to. And then between the A and the close A, you got to type what it is that this refers to. So this is the, oh look, we've already got it. Mozilla developer reference. So I'll just stick that in here, in between A and close A. Get rid of this extra dash. That is a link. Let's look at it. We're going to save it. Go back over here, refresh, F5. Now we've got a link to Mozilla developer reference. I want to click it. And then what's going to happen, Clay? I'm going to click it. And, well, I'll be... That was not awesome. Okay, let's see. Okay, I just needed to click it harder or something. That was weird. Okay, so here I go. Here I am at developer.mozilla.org, HTML reference. Like I said I would be. All right, let's do it again. This guy down here, this is the link to that W3C World Wide Web Consortium site, w3.org. A href equals quote, and then after the URL, unquote, close that tag, and close the angle bracket, and we need to say this is the W3C HTML5 template. Close A, save that, go over here, refresh. Now we've got a link, click it, and there we go. And the actual template is way down this page, but there it is. All right, I want to see if we can get any closer. Ooh, we can. We can link directly to this basic templates heading by using this ID. That's a neat trick. I want to copy that. What I did there, by the way, I right-clicked, I did inspect element. It took me right to that, and I saw it there. Okay, so that's what's going on. I'm going to go back a couple of steps. I'm going to close out of this developer tools thing. All right, now I told you I wanted to link directly to that specific spot. So I copied the value in the ID, right? There was an ID attribute. I copied that. I'm going to paste it here after a pound sign. All right, I'm going to save that and refresh. And I'm going to hover and see down there at the bottom, you can see the link at the bottom of the browser. I'm going to click on it, and this time we went directly to that part of the page. So that's cool, right? So anchor tags, they're awesome. Hypertext reference, href. A for anchor, href. You make links. You link a bunch of pages together. You've got a website. You link a bunch of websites together. You've got a World Wide Web. And that is the magic of hypertext markup language. All right, thank you.